Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making some breakfast style empanadas. So you will need eggs, empanada discs, bacon, and cheese. Now the cheese I'm choosing to use is Monster. But I got this from I'm going to say Mexican aisle because I don't got time to be worried about exactly where. But I decided to get this hunk of cheese. The disc I found in the frozen food section. Goya empanada disc. You can use whatever bacon you want. I'm just using hickory smoked and my eggs. Alright guys, so these are my eggs right here. All I have in here is some black pepper. I'm keeping this pretty nice and simple. I'm not adding any salt to my filling because the bacon is salty. We're also adding cheese. However, these are your empanadas. You put whatever you want to put in it. I'm not adding any salt. I'm slowly showing you these eggs because I want you to see, do not get any color on your eggs. Please do not burn your eggs and put them in the empanada. No color on your eggs. Alright, so you see at this stage right here, I'm going to cut my stove off because the residual heat will continue to firm up your eggs. Like I said, I don't want any color on my eggs because remember, we still have to fry the empanadas. You don't want super hard eggs. And plus you want to see that nice color once you cut into there. So I'm going to remove this off the stove and that's it. Alright guys, so over here I have my bacon and egg right here in this container. I chopped up my cheese into small cubes. I have some scallions here and some cilantro. So now we're going to make our empanadas. So I have my disc right here. Remember they come frozen, so you want to I'm making sure y'all in a good angle. You want to make sure you sit them out on your counter to thaw for a little bit before you use them. I think I could add a little bit more egg into this one. Let me see. You don't want to overfill them. That's what you don't want to do. And clearly I'm not even going by what I'm telling y'all because this is... I'm probably going to take some of that egg out. So you're going to add your cheese. And you could either add your scallions or the cilantro, or you can add either or if you're not a fan of cilantro. I know a lot of people are not a fan. I'm adding cilantro in mine because I love cilantro. Alright, clearly I got too much stuffing, but we're going to try anyway. So you want to fold this in half. I really don't think this is going to go, but I'm going to. This one is clearly way too full. I have too much egg in here. But this is basically what you're going to do. I'm going to make another one with less filling so you guys can see what it looks like. I think I'll get this one to close. Then you're going to take a fork. You're just going to use your fork to close it. Just keep going around with your fork. I already have my oil preheated. Look at me. I got all this filling in here. It's going to spill out. So don't do what I did. But I'm going to make another one for you guys. Alright, my oil should be nice and hot. You're going to take your empanada, drop them down in there. As you can see, I'm frying basically in the wrong pot or vessel. I'm going to do two at a time because of where I'm frying my empanadas at. But if you're using a deep fryer, put them all in there and go. I'm going to cook these up until they're nice and golden brown. And then I'll show you guys what they look like. Alright guys, so these are what my empanadas look like. They're nice and crispy. I don't know if y'all could hear that. They're nice and golden brown. I don't like them too dark, but they're nice and golden brown. They're cooked through. And yeah, so that's what they look like. Now I have one right here off to the side on this paper towel. It's one of the cooler ones that I fried, first. So now you're just going to, I'm going to cut it so you guys can see the inside. It's too hot for me to break open, but let me make sure my camera is in focus. You can see the melty cheese on the left, the eggs, and the bacon right there. I hope you guys enjoy this easy, simple empanada video. Like I said, I've seen this guy that I follow on social media. He cranks out like 200 and 300 of them every morning, and I was just inspired to make some. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.